vlog very much yesterday, but we were obviously in K-Town. We went to Hungary to eat, and then we just like went to a few pochas. We went to Chichi, went to a different pocha, and then we ended up at karaoke with some friends, which was super, super fun. Our first stop in K-Town is Hungary kalgutsu. We got the chicken and clam kalgutsu. We also got the bosam. I have been thinking about this meal since the last time we were in LA, so this is definitely our first stop of the night. But I need coffee. We need coffee. So we're gonna grab that and go to OC after. Our first stop in the OC, we're just grabbing some appies to start because we have a few more restaurants we want to check out. Second spot we're hitting up in the OC is Faholic, and I've actually been here before, but we are here again for the oxtail pho. You also have the choice of the thick noodle and thin noodle, so we decided to get both, and all of us love noodles, so this just like warmed up our soul and prepping us for the next spot we'll be heading up after. We stopped at this very cute family-owned Mochi store and grabbed ourselves a few mochis to try, and they were so delicious and the texture was amazing. Also had to stop at Tea Master to get myself a matcha latte. Alright, we freshened up and it is dinner time. We are having Korean BBQ.
Wait half an hour.
It's so busy on a Saturday, but it's okay. It'll be worth it. So I am going to be completely honest on here. This was probably the worst Korean barbecue that we had. The meat quality was not good. Honestly, the meat was not very flavorful, even though we had the dipping salt and sauces.
Yeah, this is how the noodles.
So yeah, this was rather disappointing. I would say the only good option that we had was the pork belly. It was a surprise to us because it was recommended by a lot of LA locals. So not sure what happened there. Good morning. It is the next day after being out till so late yesterday. We're so tired, and we're gonna grab some caffeine and some kimbap. are at MDK, which is a great spot for kalguksu. They're open late, and most importantly, their kimchi and steamed dumplings are so delicious.
I love these dumplings so much.
Hello LA, we are Babymonster! To our 2025 World Tour. Our first one really. We're so excited. Can we introduce ourselves first? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hi LA! This is Asa. What's up LA? This is Rika, nice to meet you. Hi Monsi, this is Rita. Hi, I'm Chiquita. Hi Lay. Yeah, this is Laura. Hello Monsis, this is Ayla. This is Romy. Nice to meet you guys. I love you. You tell me that you need me, then you walk away. Boy, you got me really confused. But now what I know is I got all this LFB.
Who like eats a lot.
Final dinner.
Just eats. She's like this.
We just went to Stagger Coffee, and oh my gosh, favorite matcha spot of this entire trip. And I've had, yeah, I think six matcha lattes.
A lot of matcha.
That's a lot of matcha lattes, but this is it. We are currently at the pier. This is the last little bit of LA. We're just walking around Venice Beach area, but it is airport time. Thank you guys so much for watching.